Hi, welcome to the session. My name is Ellis.
How are you, Alice?
I'm well, thank you. Yourself?
I'm also fantastic.
Yeah, good.
So
Nice to
how
meet you. What's your name?
same here. I'm Sultan from Pakistan. Nowadays I'm in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
I'm working over here. Yes.
Ah, okay, nice. How long have you been living there?
1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
Ah, okay, cool. Is it very different, Saudi Arabia and Pakistan?
Yes, it is different. Uh, but as we have so many,
Mm-hmm.
so I have adjusted over here.
Okay, nice. And it's Ramadan at the moment, yeah, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you still able to work with the coronavirus?
No, we are having our summer vacation.
Okay.
Our class, our classes ended 1 week back, and
Mm-hmm.
I was taking online classes. I
Okay.
took online classes for 2 months.
Ah, I see. Okay. So you're a teacher?
Yes, I'm a teacher and I'm teaching English to
Oh,
grade 4
wow.
students. Yes,
Okay. So you use Cambly just to practice your conversation?
absolutely.
Ah, well, very interesting. Okay, nice. Well, I feel under pressure now. I have to teach a teacher.
No, no, we do not get that chance very often to communicate with the native speakers.
Yes,
So
right.
I'm here for practicing and polishing my English.
I see. Okay, all right. Um, well, I don't know. Have you been on Cambly for long?
No, no, I have just started it. It has been
Okay.
almost 1 week.
All right. Are you enjoying it so far?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't know what other tutors have done with you. Something I enjoy doing, especially with more advanced learners, is poetry.
Okay.
Um, the reason I like to use poetry is it's a creative use of English. So it allows people to see English used in different ways. Um, and it's more of a challenge to decipher the meaning in what you read
Okay.
when it's presented in that way. But also, it's good for vocabulary and it gives us something to talk about. Would you like to try an example?
No problem. Go ahead.
Yeah? Okay. Let me, I can't share the screen. Let me share it with you then. Okay.
So do I have to open it?
Um, yeah, normally I would be able to share the screen, but I think, are you on a phone?
Yes, I have cell phone.
Ah, okay. All right. Yeah, if you're able to open it, I can still hear you, and you should still be able to hear
Okay.
me. Um,
Okay. Yes.
yeah. So the poem, it's a famous poem by a British author named Rudyard Kipling. So
Okay.
if you like, we could start by reading the first stanza or verse, which is the first 8 lines.
Okay.
Okay. Could you read that out loud, please?
Okay. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise.
Okay, well done. Your reading's good, Sultan,
Thank
which I would expect. So
thank you.
let's just go through a few of the words. So, how would you define the word blaming or to blame?
Blame when you pass the buck on someone else,
Hmm.
when you say that he is the person who has done something wrong, and even you are not sure about it, but you are saying that the other person, or you are alleging the falsehood on others.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Um, so
Thank you.
if you come back to the chat, I'm going to give you a sentence. Um, right. You see the chat? So in that sentence, we could put, my manager took the blame for the project's failure. Can you think of another word that would go in there?
I cannot see the blank. I
You,
don't know how to do it. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. I need to use an alternative word
yes,
for blame.
yes.
Okay. My manager took dash for the project. The responsibility.
Good, excellent, exactly, yes. So yeah,
Thank
the
you.
key to understanding the word blame, you described it very well. Um, Essentially, it just means to assign responsibility for something, often fault, wrong, mistake, error. Good, okay.
Okay.
This is something that I encourage students to do because often what will happen, I mean, you're an English teacher, so you probably know this. When we're learning a second language, when we learn new vocabulary, what we tend to do is just learn what the word is in our language, right? So we just
Yes.
translate it. So, oh yeah, I know what the word is for blame in my language, and that's it. But then to describe the word becomes difficult then because to describe the word without using it is
Yes.
is tough.
It it gets hard. Yes.
Yeah. So when we can learn, whenever we learn a new word, try to learn the meaning of the word and possible synonyms, and that will really help us with our learning of English. Okay, what about doubt? How would you describe doubt?
When you are uncertain about anything, you are not sure about anything.
Hmm. Yeah, exactly. Good.